The entrance pavilion for Las Cabezas de San Juan Nature Reserve is an open pavilion that greets visitors at an essential nature reserve in northeastern Puerto Rico. The structure neither competes with nor detracts from the surrounding flora, demonstrating how the design fits within the existing environment. Nearly all the existing vegetation on site was preserved. The wood columns, polished cement floor, texturized reinforced concrete base, and green four-way double-level zinc roofs have withstood the test of time and have been proven materials in the Caribbean. The pavilion has endured over 40,000 visitors per year and extreme tropical weather since 1991. Its traditional building materials remain unscathed due to the sturdy and resilient building technology and practices used for its construction. Jurors appreciated the timeless architecture, praising its sensitive and straightforward design. One juror said, considering the climate, its pitched roofs and natural ventilation work as well today as it would have 100 years ago. Another called the pavilion a novel piece of welcoming architecture.